Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4 available on Android devices? So, firstly we need to open the application to check available devices for this application. Then click at the plus, and if it cannot find it, it will show you this menu. So you need to go to manual settings, and right here we have supported devices for this application. So this first one look like our earbuds, so we just click on it and we can see that it's actually EARFUN Air Pro 4, and this is our model. So my short answer is yes, it's available on Android devices. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!